For sale today, I got a 1967 Corvette Coupe, finished in its factory correct Marlboro Maroon with the 455 code interior, which is white vinyl interior, door panels, and black carpet, black dash, which is correct to the car. Rarer combination. I'll walk around to show you some of the flaws on the car. It's currently powered by a 350 motor. 350 feels like 350 horsepower. It's a pretty quick car, but I have its 327 350 horsepower number matching block, and I have the stamp on it still. You know, you can see that, and that will be included with the car. Has vintage air conditioning. It's a 4-speed, rally wheels. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. Helps me out. If you like the video, give it a like as well. Doesn't hurt. There are not many flaws on the paint. It is 3-year-old paint in its correct Marlboro Maroon color. Bird cage is excellent. Door panels are very nice. Door jambs are nice as well. Seats are nice. Like I said, the correct white vinyl, no rips on it at all. Nice black carpet. Four-speed, like I said. Nice teak steering wheel. Nice white headliner. Rear carpet is nice as well. What the hell? There we go, that was weird. Like I said, rally wheels. It's a sweet car, like I said, 67. It's got the 350 motor, it runs well. Drives nice, shifts nice. 3-year-old paint. Solid, very solid and clean undercarriage. It definitely looks like it was apart at some point. I can't be the one to tell you when. It's got good chrome. There's a little bit of, I'm not going to say it's pitting, but it's not perfect all the way around, but it shows nicely, so. It'll be for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay as well. Both links will be in the description of this video. Sweet car, 67 Corvette, original number matching block included, powered by a 350 motor, 4-speed, vintage air conditioning, factory disc brakes. Very clean car, very clean solid undercarriage, very nice interior, nice door panels all the way around, nice seat, nice carpet, nice dash, no cracks in the dash pad at all. I'm working up on those flaws that I was telling you about. There are almost no flaws on the car, but for whatever reason, there is 1, 2, and a third bubble right there. That's it. I don't really understand it. And then, as you know, with Corvettes, they always tend to crack right there. So it cracked. That's it. Oh, also, all 4 bonding strips are in place, showing that it is the original body on the car. So there you have it. That's the 67 Corvette that we have for sale. I'm going to fire it up, listen to it run, take it around the block. You can watch it drive. And like I said again, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Alright, here you have it, the 350 cubic inch motor, the vintage AC, dual master cylinder disc brakes.